Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don do town hall meeting with Edo State Association of Market Women to find solutions to the hardship wey dey di state. Dis meeting shele on Monday for Government House, Benin City. Obaseki tok say di meeting na to find solution for di Naira wahala, di high price of food for Edo, the market wey don burn, and even the market dem wey no good.
Dis meeting today na three matter na we wan discuss. First, as something be for Nigeria today, when we no see money, we no see cash, how we go do am? Now, they sell for markets. Now, they sell everything when we dey buy. Now, they hear wetin dey happen for market. No be so? So now go tell us, make them hear the problem when we get. Make them tell us too how we go come out of this problem. The second issue, now the price of food for markets. Price of something don't go too high. People they suffer, food not there. I won't hear from you now. What you go do? What we fit do so that at least money go come down for food. Make many more people fit chop. Because we not fit there now, make people they go home for nights, they sleep, they're not picking up eat. The third matter, now our markets. Now remember, say some bonbon people, they started to burn our markets before election. But this time, God stopped them. They're not fit burn anymore. But the one when they don't burn, I promise you, I must repair them before I leave. Even some others too, when not good, I need to tell you now what you will go do about those markets. But I don't feel do anything without you now. Now will tell me this now how we go do the things. This now what you will go do for our markets. We don't do the design for a CBN market. But I not go fit start to build without una. Una must look am. Which kind una like the design? And the one when una they sell, breeze go they blow so that una not go to sweat too much. Design, not be, we're supposed to put primary health care there, not be so. We're supposed to put where children feel they play, creche. All that we don't put, make we come look at together. It's not hard to build. Once we agree before the end of next month, because of this election, I foresee we'll go do the foundation lay now. But I don't want to make election disturb us. We'll let election pass, we do foundation lane, we will start a CBN before the rain. Only our markets, when I go help me, I don't understand only our markets. Market dey inside, so why they not they stay inside? I feel build only a market now. So we need to sit down, make una tell us how to do Olia. The section went born for Oba market. What we go do? Because people stay the trade for that side. How we go fit move them? Maybe we repair that side. We not go move them for us. So that is why we want the una make una agree. I don't tell Oredo Holga and somebody from our office. We form market committee. We will sit down with una between now and the end of the month. Let us agree when contractor go each side. Then una go do now. Help us clear the area. May they not disturb us. Is that clear? Okay. So I promise you, at least those three markets we can start. Then you come and let us know which other market for the states when we're supposed to build.
Obaseki constantly talk say things don't change and we must follow change with am. Say for Igbo country, they don't do am wey be say cash for hand no dey, but them they use their ATM card buy things. A constantly talk say we no fit change overnight, but now where will they go be that?
They say sometimes so. They say every disappointment na a blessing in disguise. When I know us, the world don't they move. Things don't they change. It's good make we change with the world. You get many African countries you go today. You not go see them. They're not the whole cash again. Anything they want to do, even if na Okada, they go just finish. When the Okada drop them, they come out, they bring them phone, pem, they don't pay. Whether na keke na pep, they don't pay. Pure water. So that's all we expect for una markets. Not be una money you want. Wait now I know say we not go feed change overnight. We know that. But make we know say na there, now we dey go. But we not go fit reach there today. The one when they affect us today, they say make we bring all our money, come enter bank. We don't put all the money for bank. The money dey bank. When we go bank to take money, not be to do something, to pay for something, abi? Okay. So we are saying, if they not fit give us all the cash we want, we get another way to pay for that thing when we want pay. We get, okay, that's now where we want to hold them. To say, now we dey go, we want pay for taxi, how we go fit pay if we don't get cash? We say, but why be say that taxi driver, he not get phone, I not fit transfer money from my phone to him phone now? You're supposed to. So now that's one we go dey work on. But for today, they say, when we go our bank, go ATM, you fit collect up to 20,000 across the counter. Wetin they tell us, we say, our money no loss. Our money no loss, our money dey bank. How to take the money out, now be the issue. And they say they don't want make we dey take money out as cash. Wait now. Wait. They say they don't agree, abi? Una wait. Especially those people when no dey Bini. People when they far place. Like like when they don't even get network. How they go even get the money? So for those kind of places, CBN, what will be the plan for them? Because at least for us, for Benin, we will talk about ourselves. What about people when they far? Many of them not get network.
On top POS license and fuel matter, Obaseki talk say.
When I know say POS, not be only cash. When I go there, the fee help una will transfer or do other things. Una here? So, thank you, Oga from Central Bank. Go bring more money. They don't start to bring more money, come. But the money, they go send up more to rural areas. For the urban area, try and use your phone. With Edo State government, they will give all of una state ID. That state ID, you feel use them do payment. Feel use them for markets. By the grace of God, before I leave, everybody for Edo will get one card, ID card. That card now for payments. Whether you want to pay your picking school fees, you want to pay for hospital, you want to pay for market, that card now we're going to use for Edo. But I beg una, make una help us. There is no problem. Una money no loss. Your money is in your bank. When una money not lost. You can use your money in the bank. You fit transfer money from bank anytime. The only problem is say you don't fit collect more than a certain amount of cash. And from they put money for ATM, they put money for banks. From today, make una go ATM, go bank, just take the little you need. Tomorrow, if you go again, take the small one you need. Make I talk about fuel. Since last week, NMPC, they work with us. They bring fuel, come depot. The problem is how to take them from depot to the various filling stations. Even now, we just finished meeting again to make sure, say, they bring fuel, come Edo, so that we'll get fuel plenty. The problem we get, we say, Edo na center. Anything when come here, everybody they take, they go. But they don't tell me today, say, before this week end, Every petrol station supposed to get fuel. And we go give una a number. Anytime when I see something, just say something. Phone us. There's also and so filling station. They never sell petrol for the last 2 days. We will go and meet them, ask why una never sell. Anything una hear, we will give number. Just phone. Not tell your number, not give us your name. Just give us the information. We go follow through. This person when get POS, he charged me 2,000 Naira on this date. No problem. Let me. By the next day, we go meet that person, make we ask him why. So, but if we don't know, all of these things will continue.
President of Ovia Southwest Local Government Market Association, Mrs. Elizabeth Osabohen, thanked the governor for the meeting and constantly talk say the Naira matter don't tire them as they not see money take buy and sell for market. She constantly talk say the price of things where they go up for market na cost of transportation. Come back the government say make them set up task force to monitor price of things, especially for transportation.
We salute you well. This meeting where you call so, God will bless you more and more and more and more. I know what the problem of market women is big, where all our money where they say make they come put inside bank, everybody put her inside bank. To collect money now, it's hard. All these women when we see, when COVID-19 come, you fit as a governor of Edo State, you help us manage that COVID-19. You carry us, go primary schools, una go they make una market. But other states, they close market, but you don't do one for us. They say, Obaseki, they give them money. Now, so politicians, they talk, but we market women never talk. Why? Because we they see the project when they do. All the abandoned ones, you don't repair everywhere. You remember the promise when you give us your stadium, say, when you don't complete your tenure, if you want come out, you go pay us because you come here, come work. And the work when you do, we dey see am. See the one where we go some days ago, Minister of Education. We don't see the thing when you draw there, one starter. So we say come they pray. As teachers, they happy now, say, you teach them when they use their waiting they call not be computer market women. We want make you still build our market like that, so that we go stay down to the narrate you say, Obaseki don't build market for us too. Not be only teachers go they make yanga where we dey. We not say to go school good. We not say to go school good, but the place where we dey stay, it not dey fine for us. The sanitation when you say make we do, we ready to the do one. But that market, when they don't build and finish, leave that of sanitation inside market for us. We went there. We go feed do one. If you want to do a task force that time, market women go there. Now we know where we go to repair. Now we get market. About things when they cost. Market women when they sell yams, then they go village market. Before they go north, if they want carry tomatoes, they go carry money give one person. The other person go give another person. The person will get the tomatoes, if they house so farm. The women know they buy tomatoes themselves. Then they buy 1, 2, 3 before they go pluck them for them for village. They will carry the tomatoes. If they reach Kogi State, before they come out from where they buy tomatoes, they go don't pay produce. So before they reach Bini, the thing don't go up. So we say with the manager, not be we no want make something they come down. If we hire something now, as you buy now, so you go sell. Like cement now, when they buy a bag of cement, that time when we grow up, now around 300 and 200. But cement it don't go up. 4.8 for cement. All the things when they take they build houses, everything don't go up. Rice, when with the chop, poor man, he go see rice, he go buy am, come cook for the children. But now rice don't go up. Before rice come from north reach here, the money when they pay for produce is too big. fish. Before we don't see they eat ice fish now. They say, the ice fish they take they cook. But now, because of the foreign currency when they take they bring the ice fish, things they go up every day. Not be those states. You be good governor because when they work, this administration, when they work, you don't see say when they mention person, everybody go they clap. Will they still they happy upon this hardship? Will they happy because will they see the work when they do? We not think say when feel work like that. Master bakers, they go do meeting that day. They go increase bread. And now they do bread. Why on increase that? They say cost of materials. Okay. They bring pure water when they say 5 naira before. Now, pure water that don't be 20 naira. So, if you want to buy packet now, they'll say 200 something. I'll be 300. Not be we, the cousin. I beg, the help when you now give us. Muna set up task force. Before we come here just now, for another day, you'll see the 500 naira for fuel. Ask me now, if person enter motor now, they go Yekoriomo. Motor now is about 2,000. People will come from Oriomo. You know, President Oriomo. 2,500. Ekboba. 3,000. How much you take on? Okay. Now, because of transport, money for fuel, it's too big. If we want to do this meeting, you go invite Olaye. Now they in charge of bus. If you enter bus now from Ring Road to Upper, you go reach 500 naira. I think Your Excellency, I think you here. So if you enter drop, it they reach 2,000. Along 200. So if we want to do this meeting, all the marketers, una go call them, una go make meeting with them, una go beg them. Because as person buy something, now he go take seller. Not be our fault, be that. Your Excellency, una call marketers. If they reduce fuel, then they'll call the people when they drive, the drivers. They go reduce their money. Transportation, it adds to our sorrow when we get. You'll be good governor. That's why we dance follow you. Because who not eat, you not go get strength. Things they cost for here, not be weak concern. This one, like from up, nine this things nine take go up. Your Excellency, this meeting when you call, so I beg, they beg you. Central Bank, that one go tell us where they carry our money go. Because the small money, when we they take the trade, when they call, they say, what we go do these people? They say, when they sit down, think, they say, okay. If as we they do them, since country not good, they're not worried. The money, when they take the trade, make we lock everything. They go cry out. Now, Central Bank say, everybody bring money, come, who not come pay money tomorrow? Now be the deadline. Everybody don't pay finish now. As me, they talk yes, they may not get 2,000 naira. To buy money now, they go take money, they want go POS. They go take 2,000 for 10,000. The Central Bank man, thank you, our governor, as you take bring and come. Bini parable say, as we see and so, he go tell us how we will take our money when we will take the eat. Because if we talk say outside good, na lie.
We not talk say now na the increased price of food. Wetin we say be say, wetin we go do as government to help to reduce the price of food and other items. Because now this inside market, see now, you tell us 5 things. You say first, middlemen, too much. How we go deal with the issue of middlemen? Somebody when not get hand, not being do the farm, not being produce the good. Meanwhile, he will go buy, keep, put money on top to sell to somebody when he want buy. When I talk say, all these produce posts, that they charge people when they carry food. Waiting we go do. That not be why they put produce posts. Not be for finished food. Una go help us, because una know every line for markets know how something they come that market. Not be so. Plantain line, una know how they come from farm to una store. Now una go tell us where the problem dey. But if una not tell us, we not go feel resolve them. Foreign exchange, central bank, now them know how they go do them to reduce the foreign exchange so that the price of imported items will come down.
The CBN Director for Risk Management for Abuja, Mr. Blaise Ijebo, come talk say Central Bank send them to informate Edo people for the Naira matter, say now almost everybody get phone, and that now why they don't tell banks to make transfer of money easy for everybody.
Make I assure everybody, your money no loss. All the money where you put for bank, it no loss. So make una no worry. I know say una need money now to do business. And that is why they said me come from Abuja. Make I come look all the problems where they this Naira change. Make I help una solve the problem. That's why they send me come my state. They know say I be Edo Pikin, so they send me come here. But the first thing I want to tell una say, I beg. You know, as una leader they talk, she talk one thing which fit my belly well. She say, you know one make teachers they make yanga for una again, abi? So make we give una technology. And one of the technology where we don't give now on our phone. That phone, if you use and do your business, if you use and pay all the payments where you they use cash they pay before. So we want to encourage you, I beg, make una use now phone. If you don't get account, even your POS people, we don't give them power to help you open account. So when you open account, if you use your phone, even if not pure water phone or smartphone, if you use your phone, pay. We don't tell the banks, they will tell you now all the ways where you fit use your phone. Just $2 whatever hash, you could use and pay people. That one will reduce the need for cash. But we know say, some people also they will get smartphone. I can see some fine smartphone. You fit download your bank app in your phone. You use that one to make payment. You also fit use your POS person. So when your customer come pay, you tell the POS person, transfer the money to my account. The customer no need to give you cash. So the POS person will help you transfer the money straight to your account. And when you want to pay, if you use that same POS person, transfer to your next neighbor. So it will make everything easy. But this thing is important because very soon you go say you want us make bank give you credit, make you expand your business. Now when they see how much they put for your account, now you go tell them say you need money or how much they fit give you. If all they do now you take cash, you give cash, bank no go know how much you need or how much they fit give you. So it's important to open account. And I hear say those state, as usually, I don't know they carry last. We want to do resident card now, we go get payment inside. It will still help you too. Because you go fit use that card, make payment, and collect money from your customers. And this will expand your business. Because today, if you just collect cash and they pay cash, bank no go know you. If you go to them and say, give me money, I want to buy a big shop, they don't go give you because they don't know you. But once you don't open an account and your money, they enter the bank, they come out, they go know you, they know how much they bring, they go fit give you more money to expand your business. So it's important.
Mr. Ijebo Kontok say they don't give bank 50 naira and 100 naira notes, but them take pay 20,000 naira per day to each person.
I'm sure that if you look around town today, you will see that many banks have many people outside the bank. What we don't do is say, we don't give the banks all as much money as we can give them so that they will pay over the counter. We give them 50 naira, we give them 100 naira because the new money not reach yet. So if you go to your bank now, they will pay you up to 20,000 naira over the counter. Some banks, because people plenty, they reduce the number to 5,000, collect them. Try use other ways to make payments. Use that cash for the place where they know they accept transfer or POS. Within the next 2 days, maybe by tomorrow or next tomorrow, we will receive more money and we'll put it in the ATM. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere until supply of money they everywhere for Benin. But I beg, make we also try use other means to make payment so that we reduce the amount of cash we need. Because we really want to make Nigeria great. You know, other countries, if you go market, you can pay with POS. And banks can give loans to those people. They can expand their business. They can do other things. And that's what we want for Nigeria too. Especially because I come from this state, which is the best state in Nigeria, for Edo State.
On top POS matter, Mr. Jebo can talk say,
for people where they outside Benin, apart from your bank, we also don't make arrangement with POS people to do exchange for you. Tomorrow, Father, when I go office just now, I was working on the list. We will publish the list of all the POS people who are supposed to change money for you. We hear say some people they charge you now to change money. We go tell tomorrow. We will also give you the number. If they charge you above what they're supposed to charge you, call that number. We will take their license from them. We'll give another person. Because we don't tell them. The arrangement what we make with the POS people, we say, we go give them money from the banks. All right? So that when they take that money, they will come to their office. When you bring your old money, they go change them. Or you bring your POS, you go give them, they go give you cash. That's the arrangement we have with them. And we have a maximum fee they can charge you. I think it is 100 Naira for every 5,000. Now, hold on now. We hear say some of them, they charge as much as 1,000 for every 5,000. It is wrong. It's illegal. So what we are saying is that if you see anyone that is charging like that, please call our number to report them. We will send our monitoring team to come and arrest them. All right? They are not supposed to charge you like that. It is wrong. So tomorrow, between now and tomorrow, we will publish and we will get radio people to tell you where all the POS that is near you that you can go and change money or you can go and collect money from, the ones that we have given money to. Between today and tomorrow, we will give you their numbers and their address. Go there, collect money. They should not charge you more than 100 Naira for every 5,000. Okay? If they charge you past that, please send us a message. We will come and look for them. Okay. That is what we are promising you.
The Omoge people wait and for the meeting are Chief of Staff to the Governor, Honorable Saibo Boyoha, Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, First Lady of Edo State Betsy Obaseki, Secretary to the State Governor Osarodion Oge Esquire, Director Risk Management, Central Bank of Nigeria, Abuja, Dr. Blazy Jebo, Benin City Branch Controller, Central Bank of Nigeria, Mr. Reni Jumbo, among others. Loretta Ojesele, TMC TV News. Don't forget say your PVC now your power and a countdown to election be this. Not say your votes or PVC to any political party on election day.